Every year, thousands of Missouri youth bring their projects, their dreams, and their competence to the Missouri State Fair. The 4-H building, constructed in 1905 and home to 4-H since 1958, has welcomed generations of young people. But today, it requires significant updates to meet the evolving needs of Missouri 4-Hers, both now and in the years to come.
I'm very fortunate because I've attended the Missouri State Fair every year of my life. It's been a blessing with my family to participate as an exhibitor and fortunately, the Missouri State Fair Queen in 2009. So the State Fair in and of itself is very close to my heart, but also 4-H has been a lifelong pursuit of myself and my family.
I grew up going to the State Fair. For me, going to the State Fair was about livestock and experiencing all the things at the State Fair. The 4-H building, the carnival, all the sights that are there to see. And for me, going back is just part of that tradition and those memories for me to share with my kids as well.
The Missouri 4-H Foundation, in partnership with the Missouri State Fair, is raising $2.1 million to transform the building's interior into a safe, modern, and inspiring space.
It inevitably storms during the fair. You can just set your clock by it. And unfortunately, almost every year, the staff in the 4-H building have to get up in the middle of the night to move youth projects so that they don't get damaged by the rain that comes in.
You can actually see daylight through the roof at this point, so it's gotten to a point where if we don't do something about the building now, it won't be there in another 120 years.
The brick is 120 years old and it needs tuck pointing for the first time. 4-H staff stay upstairs in some dorm rooms. It's a very unsafe from a fire perspective. The stairwell leaves a lot to be desired. It's very, very unsafe.
We want to make sure that the 4-H building is inviting and welcoming for people. If they walk into a building and it's hot and it's stuffy and it looks old, all they're going to do is go straight to the project that they came to see and then leave the building as quickly as they can. We want to make sure that they're going into the 4-H building as well as all the other places on the fairgrounds so that they can really see the great things that 4-H helps young people achieve.
Planned improvements include an updated layout, technology-enhanced exhibit areas, a demonstration stage, meeting rooms, and hands-on learning spaces. These changes will give 4-Hers more opportunities to showcase their work while inviting the public to connect, engage, and learn.
We're additionally going to be adding air conditioning to the building, which will be a huge benefit in the heat of August summer in Missouri. We're going to have some improvements with the stages where the demonstrations will be held so we can really showcase those students' talents when they bring their demonstrations to the State Fair. Further, we're going to have new and improved spaces for exhibits. It's going to be an opportunity for the next generation, including my own sons, to come up and benefit from a premier space where they can show their exhibits and where they can present their demonstrations and showcase the hard work they've learned through 4-H.
I can't wait to see the improvements at the State Fair 4-H building. New stages for kids to present their demonstrations, new spaces for kids to display their items, and really that excitement that'll be there in August and see how the new building brings even more people to see the wonderful things that our members are doing.
While we love the history, we also have to remain relevant, and we want to give our youth a place that really showcases the hard work and dedication that they've put into projects of excellence. And in order to do that, we have to give them a modern facility that is representative of the quality of the work that they bring there.
To have that high-class experience where it's going to be the Super Bowl for those kids where they're coming in and showing their best work to an audience in comfortable seating that is going to be part of this improvement as well. That just makes the experience that much more memorable, that much more valuable as students go on and take those skills into the next parts of their life.
Join us in building the future of Missouri 4-H. Every gift, large or small, makes a lasting impact. Explore naming opportunities and donate today. Together, we can create a home worthy of Missouri 4-H's next generation.